Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you where you can get your premium club strategy quant custom project, and I'm going to show you how to load it, and then I'm going to show you how to load the template. Let's get started. Okay, so you're going to log into your account on your strategy quant profile. And then you're going to click on dashboard, which is going to bring you to this page right here. Then we're going to click on premium club. Okay, now here is the Premium Club custom project, and we're going to download this file. We're going to click on it, and we're going to download it. And inside it, we've got two files. Okay, this first one, the CFX file, is the custom project file, and then the second one is the template. I'm going to show you how to load both. Alright, now we're in Strategy Quant and we're gonna upload that custom project. So we click into custom project, we're gonna open that file. We're gonna find it right here on Bollinger Break, and we're going to put the CFX file inside there and open it. And the other file that's in there, the template, I'm gonna show you after how to put that in. So we loaded it, but the data that it's loaded with is not on my computer. So we're gonna take this and change the data to the data that I have. And so the first one is NQ, which is NASDAQ. And so NASDAQ, here we got it. This one, DAX, is German index. This one, Dow Jones 30, and S&P 500, and we're gonna load it. Okay, still says project has unresolved resources, talking about the data. So we'll just wait till it stops blinking just for a moment and click on it again. And again, we'll just load this NQ. NQ is the NASDAQ 100. DAX is German 30 or 40. S&P. And Dow Jones, DJ. And which is only 30, and then we're gonna load it, and it says project resources resolved, and now it's gone this beautiful color. We're gonna open it up, and here is the project. Okay, but we got one more thing to do. So we're gonna click on full settings, and right here it says strategy from template. We got to make sure this this file is inside there and ready to go. Because I think if you just press start, it doesn't work. Let's just press start here. And it says error. So the strategy template file BB break SQX is not in there, so we're going to put it in there. So here is where it's supposed to go, and then we're gonna put that file that's in the folder inside of here, and then I'm gonna show you exactly where to put it. Okay, so now we've got the template file, and we're just gonna copy it. And then we're gonna go into strategy quant, and we're going to go into user settings, and then strategy templates, and then we're just going to paste it with all the other templates. Okay, so that's where it is. It's inside user settings and then strategy templates. Okay, now we're gonna go load it in strategy quant, browse, and so this is still inside the desktop folder. You can just put it in there, but I actually put it inside of the strategy quant file. So that's why I want to make it nice and clean and where I put all the folders. So to settings, and then Strategy templates. Here is that template. And then now we're good. And then let's just save this custom project because now it's good to go. And now we can start the custom project without that error. So let's press start. And now we're working. And that's how you load the Premium Club BB Breakout. So if you haven't visited my No Nonsense Trader website in a while, I've done a ton of updates and redid the whole thing. And I want you to go through it and check out all those extra things. Check out my blog. Been writing lots of blogs. And yeah, I've got a cool programs page. And yeah, you can go through, check that out. And lots of other stuff coming. And yeah, I'm getting this ball on the rolling again and starting to make content. And so I'll keep on posting. So we'll see you soon.